What's up, guys? So my little brother just made a song, but I'm gonna show my two cicadas. This is how they look. Well, one's my brother's. It's actually that one, and I may edit this video. I'm gonna try to edit my videos now, but
Yo.
look.
What do you do to my cicada?
That's not your cicada.
Which one's mine?
Mine's much cleaner, as you can see. It's actually their molt, but we can preserve this. I may preserve it or no. Stop making those weird sounds, bro.
Well, bro.
They actually look like crabs.
Bah.
You're
You're not a child anymore.
Bro, just cause I'm in.
Boy, look.
Just cause my grade is. Just cause I'm in.
Mine looks dirtier than yours.
Mine's that big.
Let's make Enrique eat it.
I'm not gonna eat it anymore. I would never say bad word.
Yo, Carlito, you fell, bro.
I would actually say. Like,
I'm okay, bro.
wait. Look, dirt take off.
Wait.
Hey, can you see me? Oh, you can't. Kissy.
Yo, what the heck? You can't make a cicada kissy. They're insects. They're not human.
They have a mouth still. I may preserve this. It looks nice in here. I found this in my backyard. My brother found it in the ground.
No, what do you mean?
Where did you find it then?
The swings. Stupid.
He found his in the swings of our backyard, and I found mine in under my trampoline, cause I had my goat. I was walking her.
Bet you can't bend your finger
But
like this.
my goat looks pregnant. Why are you showing off? And look at those claws. Actually, you can see the shadow. Shut the boy. Watch your mouth. Actually, you didn't say a bad word. Look at the claws in the shadow.
Yo, that looks like Godzilla. Wait.
Oh, that looks cool, yeah.
You said a bad word. I'm telling Mom.
I didn't actually say bad. Stop!
Sorry, one more freak or Hank, and I'm gonna have to show you what
Why are you memeing around?
Sharpman Fire looks like. Okay?
We're just joking around with this. With molt. Yep, molt. I forgot which one's mine. Wait, mine's cleaner. Oh.
Yo, guys, go to Logan.
Stop.
What's it called? What's it called again?
Stop memeing around, brother.
Logan Paul. No, wait. Logan
Why are you talking about Logan Paul?
.shop.com. No, LoganPaulShop.com.
I don't even have merch. He has merch. You're trying to sell merch.
No, I'm not.
I'm trying to help him out.
Yo.
Look at that. I cannot see it. That shadow.
No one cares.
Why did my brother spell helpless? Helpless. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to act like you're in trouble?
Yeah.
Anyways, stop showing my hand. It looks ugly on camera, but... Oh, yeah.
Boy, you wrinkly.
Bro, look at my hand.
Look at my hand.
It looks fat.
Mine looks better.
Yours looks fat.
What do you mean? I'm gonna show off.
You dumb boy. Don't show your muscles. You're gonna make people disgusted.
What do you mean? I'm gonna make them triggered. Heal.